Well, folks, here at Second Chance Mowers, we're going to be showing you how this lift I bought works. Yeah, we'll see. There you go. And I think it's plenty. Yeah, I mean, I can actually turn the wheels. I can get at everything without having to lay underneath it. Yep. And it's got a safety here with the handle, you know, in case it ever did drop. Stop here. Plus, I locked that in the gear. This was supposed to, I don't know how that's supposed to work, but I think that was some kind of safety right there. Either way, it ain't going nowhere. And it's, you know, pleasant to work on it. You know, instead of bending down, it's right at, you know, I can put it at a little bit lower height too. So, this is actually better than having one of those lifts. This works fine for me. I paid $100 for it, so I guess it'll pay for itself. You know, that's where it was. I want to say it was a wheel lift, like maybe putting on like semi wheels or something. That's what I think it was for. But it's gonna work for this. I mean, where can you go wrong? Alright, I'm gonna get this one stripped. There ain't nothing to watch here. Get the old, I got the high torque, which I had to do the engine mounts with. I can use the regular torque. I just bought all new Milwaukee, well, a set. I bought the little guy, the mid torque, the high torque, the sawzall, the hacksaw, and an impact drill. Those things are expensive, like $1,500, something like that for that. But I was using the old school DeWalt, not even lithium batteries. So I had to upgrade to speed up my process. Here we got an oil cooled Vanguard, about the only thing good on this tractor. I'm hoping it's going to work on a John Deere 135, but we'll get this stripped. Alright folks, I just wanted to show you that lift. Tell me what you guys think. I think it works great. You know, I can get underneath it, I can work on it. Like I said, it's not, I don't have the little foot thing down there locked down, but you can lock that to the ground so it doesn't roll. But this thing ain't going nowhere. It ain't tippy, even with the deck on it. So this is great though. Like I said, yep. Alright folks, Second Chance Mowers out. Maybe I'll show some repairs here soon. Until next time. Peace.